Hey, this is Dr. Mora, Orange County Orthopedic Surgeon here with UFC past champion, but champion in my book always. Come on, Mike.
Come on.
All right. So this is the thing. Mike is going to give me some protein from
my protein.
But he's not going to give it to me unless I win.
Correct.
And what we're going to do right now is he knows now. I am the champion thumb wrestler.
Yeah, but you've only beaten small guys because you said TJ Dillashaw and Juan. I think
TJ not yet.
They
TJ's
don't
later.
Class as real-sized people.
Tony.
All right, Tony's fair enough. Tony's big. Tony's
big wingspan, but you know, I mean, I'm almost the same.
Yeah.
I've been told I have big fingers. Okay. So here's the thing. So we're gonna start with the right.
We'll start with the right hand. We'll give him a head start. Let him win, and then we'll go.
Okay. So
but by the way, I don't do this.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb more, and then we go at it. Okay. It's just like Bruce Buffer going.
I got it.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb more. Oh, look at you, man. Oh, okay. Ooh, you're good. Oh, okay. Okay, continue. Oh, you're good. Let's keep in the middle here.
This will go on all I'm too competitive.
Man, you are good. we might. Oh no, man. Okay.
One. Come on, don't.
No, man. I got good stamina. Oh, there you go. Oh.
I thought you were the champ.
Okay.
One.
No.
You can't do
Okay,
that.
all right. You know what? I think we're gonna call that a draw. Okay, this is a draw. Okay, so we got a draw so far. Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc. Always.
It's always nice to see you.
Best in the
Thanks
business.
for coming
Thank
by,
you
brother.
very much.
Take care. Cheers.